It is so important to cover 100% of the bottom layer to add fullness to your set. But for a lot of people, it's hard to even identify where the bottom layer is, let alone know if you have gotten full coverage on it or not. So in today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to inspect your set to 1, identify the bottom layer, 2, determine whether or not it is fully covered, and 3, how to get full coverage on it. Starting with number 1, to identify the bottom layer, use your inspection mirror and lift the lid up slightly to expose the bottom layer lashes that are likely hiding near the eyelid. An unlashed natural lash looks like this. If you see lashes like this, you know that you still have work to do. 2, now you have determined whether or not you need to work on the bottom layer. Chances are there will be at least a couple lashes down there that will need extensions, which brings us to number 3, isolating them. My favorite hack is using an iPad to pull back all of the layers. The best spot to place your iPads is in the middle of the extensions like this, and it will allow the bottom layer lashes to pop out almost effortlessly without you needing to use your tweezers to weave them out. Not only does this hack help you identify the bottom layer lashes, but it also isolates them for you, making placement much easier. And yes, this hack can be used with tape too. I just personally prefer to use an iPad as they are much easier to remove. And no, they do not leave any residue on the natural lashes. Now that the bottom layer is isolated, it's time to get lashing. Take care not to open the eye during the pulling back step. If the eye sits slightly open, just take off the iPads, readjust it, and do it again while keeping the eyes closed. Placing lashes from this angle can be a little different than how we normally place our extensions, so we suggest placing them from beneath the natural lash instead of on top for the most part. Please note that you may feel a little discouraged with this technique in the beginning, but just give it a good couple tries before giving up on it. Once you get it, it works wonders.